Hi, welcome back to OpenCV Moments. In this video, you will learn how to set up and test an OpenCV project using Visual Studio 2013 for both release and debug configurations. But first, make sure that you follow the instruction of the previous video on how to install OpenCV 3 in Windows 8. Okay, let's go for it. The first thing you will need to do is to start Visual Studio. Then, click New Project under the Start section. Choose the Win32 console application template and write a name for your project. For the purpose of this video, let's call it OpenCV Test. Click OK to start the Win32 application wizard and check the Empty Project box. Then click Finish and you have your brand new project. Now go to the Solution Explorer, right-click the project name and open the Properties dialog. Let's first set up the release configuration. So make sure that Release is selected on the Configuration list box. Next, select the C++ configuration properties and input the following line on Additional Include Directories. This will tell Visual Studio where to find the OpenCV header files. Next, select the Linker General Properties and add the following line to Additional Library Directories. This will tell Visual Studio where to find the OpenCV precompiled libraries. And last, select the input properties and add the two following file names to the additional dependencies list. This will tell Visual Studio which OpenCV libraries to actually link your code with. In previous versions of OpenCV, the list of libraries was quite long, but since version 3, only these two are needed. Now let's set up the debug configuration. Follow the same steps as with the release configuration. Insert the Additional Include Directories. Insert the additional library directories. And the only difference will be that the name of the libraries listed under Additional Dependencies include a D to differentiate debug from release libraries. That's it. Now click Apply to save the changes to your project and OK to close the Properties dialog. Now let's write a simple test program. On the Solution Explorer, right-click the Source Files item and add New Item. Select the C++ file template. Leave the name as it is and click Add. Now let's write this short program that will print the library version to the console. You can find the full source code on the description of this video. Select the debug configuration and press Ctrl 5 to start the application. You should see the OpenCV version installed on your system. Now select the release configuration and do the same. You should see exactly the same result. Congratulations! You have configured your OpenCV project on Visual Studio 2013. Now you can unleash your computer vision powers. Don't forget to subscribe and share if you want more OpenCV moments.